Follow along in this tutorial and you'll learn how to reset your mt5 or mt4 to its default settings. So as you can see, I am not seeing my menus over here. So what you can do is go to File, select Open Data Folder, select Terminal, close the mt4 app. So I'm going to right click and select Close Window. Now what you need to do is delete this folder here. Now I'm going to reopen mt5. So I'm going to cancel that. And as you can see here, mt5 has been successfully reset. However, you need to re-log in to your account because there are no accounts being shown. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.